Did you lock the garage door?
I think so.
Doesn't look like it.
I must have forgot.
Figures.
Hi, guys.
Why are you here, Maris?
I just wanted to remind you can check your garage door status using Apple CarPlay.
Oh, that's right.
Hey Siri, close the garage door.
The garage door is closing.
Thank you, Maris.
Maris Garage Door Opener. Apple CarPlay supported.
One moment, please.
Maris Garage Door Opener. Apple HomeKit integration.
What am I supposed to say? I don't know.
What's going on, Eric?
I forgot to lock my garage door last night and my car got stolen.
The one you just bought?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Did you lose anything? Did you see anyone suspicious last night?
Last night? Whoa!
Hey, Rob. You forgot to close the garage.
Thank you, Maris. I don't think so, officer. I got Maris.
Maris Garage Door Opener. Featuring negligence alert.
Where were you last night?
I was in my room. Why?
No, she wasn't. Check your garage history.
You left at 1:32 in the morning and came back at 4:12.
Mom?
Listen to your father. Don't do it again.
Maris Garage Door Opener. Featuring garage door history.
Heading out?
I bought the new Maris door opener for your parents.
Might be too advanced for the Victorian home.
Don't worry. I'm compatible with over 200 brands and 1,600 models. Modern or classic.
But the garage is kind of far from the house. I don't know how that would work with the Wi-Fi.
That's why I'm equipped with an external antenna. I'm always connected to Wi-Fi.
Huh, that sounds pretty good. I'm gonna go grab my keys.
Maris Garage Door Opener. Now with external antenna.